off, I want to say thank you to BLEDS Supply Company, who sent me over a 501 piece scrapbooking supply kit. So I'm going to do an unboxing now so we can all see what is in this most adorable little kit. And then we'll scrapbook with it. Okay, here we go. And you open it up and we've got all these little containers. Here's the stickers, 40 pieces. And here's a lot of the little scrapbook papers. I'm just going to go through it real quick. These all appear to be the same size. Oh, I guess there's bigger pieces in there. We're going to have to get in there, see what's in there. So cute. These are just my style. Look at these flowers. They're so pretty. And then one last one that seems to have, oh, this has got 100 pieces in it. Lots of different things. And here is the glue tape. So these are amazing. You just push down from here and it adheres to the back and then it sticks right onto your journal page. I'll demonstrate that in a little bit, but these are my favorite. I love this so much. Okay, let's break into these and see. Let me check out the sizes of these. So first off, these little square ones, they look to be like they're just 2 by 2s. Those are perfect. Great. So these are 2 by 3, 3.5, and then these ones are 2 by 4. So these are great. You could use these together. You could take a spread and you could do overlapping things like that. Take a different color, add in something like that, or have it go up like that. All different ways that you can use these, but these are great. They're very thin, easy to adhere. Could have multiple layers without it becoming too thick in your journal, which is always a problem. When you go to close it, it can be very, very thick. And then these ones look to be great for journaling, for taking notes, anything with little lines like this. Cute. Chapter 1, I could use that for my son's wedding. Some scrapbooking I do there. Just some note paper. This would be great because I could actually doodle on it. Do some Zentangle. This one looks to be just more of like the other ones, that the sizes are the same. It's just the colors are different. So let's see what we have here. We've got lots of like fall colors going into fall with some leaves in here, some grays. In here we've got some of the same. Look at these beautiful colors. These look really cute. Let's see here. They look like old postcards. They are old postcards. So they've got the stamps, some lettering here. I always like to find things where words that seem to fit with whatever's going on. Postcard. You're getting too caught up in the things that don't matter. What was this sent to me intentionally? Look at how cute that is. This, my inner child just jumped up for joy seeing that little one right there. Oh my gosh, what's this one? Darling. So, P.S. I still wait for you. Aww. Oh, it shows you on the back. Kind of has a little diagram of all the different things that are in here. Oh my goodness, what a wonderful set. So like I said, this is 100 pieces, but look at these cute little things. Look at all these darling little pieces. Cod liver oil. Great for journaling. Yeah, all sorts of different things. So now we go into the stickers. Oh my gosh, my weakness, stickers. Well, okay, all of it's my weakness. So, oh, wow, these are so pretty. So they're done on vinyl, very nicely done. Kind of more of a summer palette for me, although I'm sure many of you know better what flowers are what, and these are probably some fall flowers in here too, or annuals, but absolutely beautiful. So as we scrapbook now, we'll take a look at how easy they are to pull off, how well the paper adheres, if it seems to buckle with the glue. Sometimes I use Mod Podge. I think what I'll use now is I'll use the glue stick that was given to me here, and we'll just see how all of this works out. But this is a wonderful kit. This is going to take me through a lot of days with both photograph scrapbooking and my word scrapbooking, and just adding it into my journals. Sometimes I just like to add just pieces of paper into my journal. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this all plays out, and let's get scrapbooking.